that it's Craig's birthday today?
I did not know that.
Yeah, I think he's like over 50 now.
Let's toast him. Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Delicious. Did you have a snack we could have?
Well, I have a candy cane.
Here, taste this.
Oh, I was eating in the wrong
Taste
place.
this. This is delicious.
Oh, see if I can get the wrapper off.
Okay, so happy birthday, Craig. Happy birthday to you. You are beautiful. Bye-bye.
I've had such a nice afternoon thinking of Craig all day and toasting to him. I think, though, it might be time for me to get going because it's raining.
Okay. It's been super fun
It sure has.
spending this afternoon. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, one more toast and Craig's on. Cheers to you,
cheers,
Craig.
cheers. Woo!
That was fun. Happy birthday,
Happy
Craig.
birthday, Craig. We love you.
Mwah.